I'm an alien, not from your planet. And today Amazon Basics Apple certified Lightning to USB cable. Kudos to Amazon for being first to market with a cheaper alternative to the Apple branded cord. There is no reason you should not buy this cord. In fact, I personally prefer the black cord to Apple's white. Also, it works with Apple's wall plug. The only thing I could possibly think of that would be a deterrent is that the lightning plug end is slightly fatter on the black part than the original Apple's cord version. So if you're squeezing your Apple cord between something to get to the phone, then this might not make it through. That being said, I have an OtterBox Defender case on my iPhone 5 and it fits without any problems. Check the link below in the description for more information about this product. Bye.